For those of you who have patios, who like to stay warm, this is gonna be for you guys. This is an outdoor heater. Let me show you everything that was in the box. First thing is a mounting plate, a remote, bunch of mounting gear, owner's manual. This is a wall mounted heater. That means you're gonna wanna put it on the wall. This is very easy to install. There's 3 screws, and then there's a bolt that attaches the heater. Install took maybe 6-7 minutes. It does rotate 15 degrees up, 15 degrees down. As soon as you have it at the right angle, then you can just tighten the nut back here. As soon as I hit that power button, this kicks on and starts producing heat within a couple seconds. Control panel's on the right side. Hit it once, it's like standby mode because there's no heat coming from the heater. Hit it again, that's L1. And on level 1, that puts out 500 watts. Hit it again for level 2, and that outputs 1,000 watts. Level 3 is the hottest level at 1,500 watts. And at that level, it has a 15 square foot heating area. I'm standing about 10 feet away. It's gotta be in the teens in my garage, and I can still feel that heat. So that is making a big difference. On the right side is the timer. This is by hours, up to a max of 12 hours. On the remote, there's a big red button. Hit it once for standby mode. Then you got L1, 2, and 3. Again, those are the different heating levels. And then the timer. Again, every time you hit it, it adds an hour, up to 12 hours. I would love winter if it wasn't so dang cold. Like, give me the snow, but take away the cold. So now I can have the snow and I can have the warmth. I figured out life.